On the back office of your platform, please select the User Management option. Here, you will have access to the participants that integrate your events. Their status can vary from pre-registered, invited, or checked in, online, and/or on-site. Choose a user and drag the toolbar to the right until you find a pencil item. Click on it and edit the profile information, such as name and country. Once you have edited and confirmed all the details, please select the badge item so you can print it if you would like. If you choose to do so, the color of your badge will change from red to green, meaning it has been printed. On your mobile app, you can select the check-in option to check in your attendees both to the event and sessions. It will open your camera so you can scan the user's badge. There is also the option Scan that allow users to network with each other with scanning each other's badges, either the physical version if you have chosen to print them, or the QR codes on their user profile. You can also mark a user as checked in on site and their user profile your host backend.